The latest manufacturer to enter the wireless fire alarm market is Fulleon. Fulleon is renowned for their Sanders manual core points and JSB fire alarm control panels within the fire alarm market. Fulleon is the latest company to appreciate the significant improvement in wireless technology and the increase in market share by the radio fire alarms. Realizing that wireless fire alarms are the future, they have developed their own wireless fire alarm system called the Radio Plus. Systems Ltd went along to a training session at Firesense offices in Tunbridge Wells to establish how the new Fulleon Plus compared against its rivals. The panel has a touch screen and is quite an attractive looking panel. However, in my opinion, the biggest drawback is you can only boost the radio signal once. Only time and many installations later will we know how good this radio fire alarm panel really is and where it compares against its competitors. There are currently 5 manufacturers within the wireless fire alarm market in the UK: EMS, EDA, Hi-Fi, Detectomat and Fulleon. As you can appreciate, all the wireless fire alarm systems produced by the various manufacturers have advantages and disadvantages according to their application. Systems Ltd is an independent fire alarm specialist with an in-depth knowledge and experience designing and installing wireless fire alarms. We are therefore in a good position to use the correct system according to the requirements of the application. As our engineers are trained in all types of wireless fire alarms, we are able to carry out wireless fire alarm maintenance on all types of systems. If you require any more information or advice on wireless fire alarms, please contact our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website and complete the contact page.